Do you have psychic gifts you've blocked or buried? If you're watching this video, you probably came into this lifetime with spiritual gifts. Gifts like intuition, clairvoyance, clairaudience, hands-on healing, and many others. We're meant to use these gifts to help our fellow humans and to grow spiritually ourselves. Your dreams will let you know if you have a spiritual gift you aren't using. Here are some examples. There was a stream in the woods. Enemies had taken over upstream. I was floating down the stream and I saw a sandy patch. I knew valuable coins and jewels were buried there, so I dug them up. I knew the enemies had buried this treasure. In this dream, the enemy was a dreamer herself. At some point in her childhood, she buried her gifts. Maybe because they scared her, maybe because her parents told her it was all nonsense, or maybe because she thought she'd be ridiculed or misunderstood. This dream is reminding her, remember what you buried long ago? It's time to retrieve those gifts. Dreams can even tell you exactly what gift was buried or blocked, as in this next dream. I dreamt I got up in the night to use the bathroom. I saw a ghost in the bathroom mirror. I screamed. My husband came in and turned on the light. He told me there was nothing there, that I was dreaming, and he went back to bed. I looked in the mirror and saw my eyes were covered with white patches that were outlined in black. This dream is very clear. The dreamer has a blocked clairvoyance gift. She has the ability to see spirits, but she blocked it. The black and white coverings over her eyes indicate that the gift was blocked due to being raised in a judgmental, black and white religious household. And her dream husband is a stand-in for Dad, who disparaged her gifts when she was a little girl. Fascinating. We can always retrieve blocked or buried gifts if we choose to. They're never gone forever. So what about you? Do you have buried treasure? Remember, to live your best life, follow your dreams.